how many companies in total got screwed over by these guys?
Besides VastGG, there's probably more, but VastGG teamed up with a lot of content creators to give away those PCs. Actually, that's the other thing. Not only did VastGG get screwed over, the content creators that teamed up with VastGG also got screwed over with that. The way they were doing it is Artesian, VastGG, and then a content creator. Join up with a content creator, get more exposure with VastGG and Artesian. So those three would do the giveaway. Artesian would build it, VastGG would do the giveaway, and then the content creators would promote it for them as well. But Artesian wouldn't actually fulfill the orders. So this is taking place in Raleigh, North Carolina, in our facility. It's 10,000 square feet. For that, we were in a garage, so we definitely would not be able to do that.
I'm a bleeding heart, and so when I see people affected in any way, I want to figure out a way to help. You know, we all know what happened at Artesian. It's been blown up in social media, and when you hear that people who have saved so much money to buy a PC, maybe are wanting to start their entrepreneurship, and you know, have made so much effort to save money to buy this PC, and then are turned around and told, too bad, so sad. You know, that's painful for anybody who's, you know, living paycheck to paycheck. So I thought that this would be a good way to just, you know, alleviate that burden. And so after that conversation, I was like, you know what? I wonder if this would be possible. We've never given away PCs in a mass like this.
So we had a lot of emails coming in, and what happened was a lot of people weren't getting their refunds. So we felt really bad about it, but my wife came up with the idea, you know what, hey, let's reach out to a lot of our companies, the brands that we work with already, and see if they could actually, you know, help out with this, you know, give back operation. And, you know, the wheels started turning and stuff like that. And all these companies said, yeah, we've had some issues, but we've moved forward. And now, as you can see behind me, we have a lot of product coming in from a lot of different companies.
They were just like, sure, what do you need? How much do I send you? What do you want? And I'm just like, wow, this could actually really happen.
Right.
We have Kingston, we had Crucial, we had EVGA, and a few more coming along the way as well to help out, to give back to all these people that are in need of all these PCs that were actually missing from never getting it or just never getting the refunds. So yeah, with the company itself, I mean, you know, coming out of a bedroom, then moving to a house that we rented out just for the business, and then having pretty much run everything out of a garage and that one bedroom in the other house before we moved into this warehouse. The community's helped us out tremendously. A lot of creators has as well. So this year we were planning to pretty much give back as much as we could to the community, and then all this happened. So we kind of saw the opportunity there, like we could actually help out with a lot of people that were affected by this. So let's start off with this and then start the year off and continue forward with that.
To be fair, we actually heard that companies and individual clients were affected by Artesian. And so we said, okay, well, let's break even. Let's make sure we take care of both sides. We wanted to dedicate 25 PCs to companies that were affected, and we wanted to dedicate 25 to individual clients that were affected.
Working in retail for so many years, seeing so many clients and myself as well just get screwed over overall with other companies as well. Me personally, I've had the same issue with in the past. I just didn't want that stuff happening to anybody else as well. And of course, we run a PC company, and we've seen how heartbreaking it is for a lot of these clients to not receive their PCs, you know, for issues like this before in the past from other companies that I used to work for, just working retail in general. So far we've accomplished, we actually have already built 10 PCs. We have a list already of 40 people that we've already verified. And then we actually already shipped one out as well. So the other ones we're finishing up, a few more parts that are waiting to come in, but those 10 are already built and assigned. Okay, so Operation Giveback is us as PowerGPU coming together with all the companies as far as Crucial, EVGA, we had Kingston, Deepcool, Fantech, we also had Mushkin as well. So we've had a lot of companies just come together with us to give back to those that were actually affected with the Artesian situation that happened. Right now, we've gotten most of the parts in. We're still missing a few. Obviously, that's where the charity stream we're doing and stuff like that, we're meeting the goals of trying to get, we're at $10,000 right now. We're still missing the $15,000 range, but we've covered the cost for that for right now. But spec-wise, we've actually met a lot of the specs that a lot of clients that were missing for giveaways and stuff like that they never got. What we plan to accomplish with all this is if we happen to get even more donations, any of the extra donations will go to even further to pass the 50. So if we did get more donations, more parts coming in, we're just gonna keep the process going. So try to provide as many of those that were affected beyond the 50 PCs. The biggest part, I guess a lot of people that I've seen online, or even, remember I told you the hate emails that we got in from all this, I think people don't realize the part that we're taking care of is we're building the PCs, which per week we're spending about $14,000 in employees. Also take in mind, we're still fulfilling all the orders while we're doing Operation Giveback as well. Our contribution side of things is we're charging no labor costs on any of these units with the Giveback, and also we're donating $25 per PC as well, purchased through our website from pretty much the beginning of the month all the way to the 31st.
Our plan is to go ahead and have this week dedicated to having everybody who was a part of it, everybody who has been supporting it, everybody who has been there to honestly come see the stream, come see the effort that we've made, the contribution as a community to go help the community that now is in need.
If you want more information on Operation Giveback, if you go to our website, just PowerGPU.com, at the top it says Giveback. When you click on there, you scroll down, it gives you more information of the situation that happened. There's a form to fill out as well, and also a place where you could actually donate as well for Operation Giveback. And then it has all our companies that we're working with as well there at the bottom.
All the PCs are gonna hopefully get all built this week, and then we can just honestly ship them off and make people happy.
So yeah, I guess one other thing would be definitely is thanking all the creators that we're working with currently for coming to the stream, for retweeting it, for posting about the Operation Giveback as well. Love to see the community even come together within our PowerGPU family to promote this and to continue forward and tell their communities about it. It really means a lot as well with that. We know we chose the right people that are there to help with the PowerGPU branding and also give back to the community as well. This Operation Giveback there's no deadline. It can continue forward throughout the whole year. So if there's more people that were affected through the whole situation that happened, we would love to continue that and provide that to the remaining people that still were affected and have not gotten their PCs or gotten refunds or anything like that.
Perfect. That's it.